Hi, this is Rhonda from Montana Bowl of Cherries. Today we're going to talk about beets. When beets are planted, it's really hard to get them far enough apart. So beets grow really close together, and a lot of people thin at the beginning of the season. I thin at harvest time. So the downside of that is that you can't harvest the beets all at once, but you harvest what you want and let the rest of them grow to the size that you like. If beets get too big, they get woody and tough. We like them about this size. Some of them are smaller, and those we pickle. And the beets that are this size, then we use as fresh beets, or we freeze them, or we make them into soup. And this is about the right size. Beets are not peeled while they're raw. They are peeled after they are cooked. So that's the other part. We're gonna talk about some of the things that are specific to beets. So go through, find all that you want to harvest, and collect them all. And then take them and throw them on the lawn. The next part is to wash all the dirt off of them, and we do this outside rather than in the sink. We do it in the sink. It leaves a lot of mess in the house, and we try to keep it outside. So we wash them really well. Get all of the dirt off of the beets. You don't have to scrub them with a scrub brush. We just use our fingers to get the dirt off of them. Hi, Donnie. Always have lots of help when I'm using the water. I don't understand. Alright, so we're going to make sure the beets are clean and ready to go in the pot when we're done with the hose. Hi, Libby. Lots of help. In order to keep the color in the beets, leave about 2 inches at the top of the beet on the stem. So you're going to cut the stem off, but leave about 2 inches. The top of that, and then this is ready to go in the pot. Leave the root on there. You don't need the stems anymore. They're kind of tough, so we don't eat them, but the chickens like them, so we trade them for eggs. Again, about 2 inches of the stem stays with the beet, and don't cut that root off until after you've cooked it. And the color will stay in the beet, and it will be the same red or red and white spiraled that you intended them to be. Get rid of the top. When that is finished, you cover the beets with enough water so that they're covered and boil them about 30 to 40 minutes. When they're done, then you stab them with a fork, and they are. You cut the top off of the beet like that, and then just slip the skin and it comes right off. Sometimes you have to cut the root in order to get it off. Sometimes it just comes off. And then the skin, the root, and the top go away, and that beet is ready to be eaten. It's cooked and everything.